Cindy Marshall, and I'm here with the lovely Sharon Lamb with the Sparkles and Spurs dance team to raise money for the Crusade for Children. This is a dance that we're doing called Even the Tide Got High by myself as the choreographer and Brooke Graham, a very good friend, with her new song called Even the Tide Got High. It's a beginner 32 count, 2 wall line dance. Are y'all ready to go? Here we go.
Time